are going to love the 2020
Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid offers a spacious interior, an abundance of technology, and safety features galore. When pairing all of this with a dynamic exterior, it's not surprising that everyone is talking about this vehicle.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lights, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, rear window wiper. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.